Welcome to Lesson 5 of Module 3, where we'll be exploring multimodal applications. Today, we will review multimodal RAG. Then, we will discuss examples of multimodal applications. We will conclude with multimodal agents. In this slide, we recall a sophisticated multimodal RAG workflow that demonstrates how we can process both text and image inputs seamlessly. The key innovation here is the use of a unified embedding model that handles both the vector database creation and query embedding processes. Notice how images serve multiple purposes. They can be used for retrieval, as prompts, or both simultaneously. This architecture provides consistency in how we process and match multimodal content, leading to more accurate and contextually relevant outputs through our foundation models. The workflow represents a significant advancement in handling multiple input types within a single RAG pipeline. Now, we recall the concept of AI agents equipped with various tools. We can see 5 primary tools that an agent can utilize to process and respond to queries. The diagram shows how these tools are coordinated through a central search and select mechanism, which helps choose the most appropriate tools for answering specific questions. The example question about the U.S. president's age demonstrates how these tools might work together, potentially using the web search tool for birth date information, the date tool for current date, and the calculator for age computation. This represents the foundation of how AI agents can leverage multiple tools to provide accurate and up-to-date information. How do multimodal applications create value for businesses? The key advantage is their ability to process multiple types of inputs, leading to more accurate and robust solutions. While the underlying technology is complex, modern development tools make implementation surprisingly straightforward. These applications offer intuitive interfaces that feel natural to users, whether through text, speech, or gestures. Furthermore, businesses can access powerful models without heavy upfront investments, paying only for what they use. This flexibility in model selection provides organizations with solutions that match their needs and budget constraints. Now let's explore some concrete examples of multimodal applications that are transforming various industries today. Now we're discussing personalization in content creation and consumption. This is crucial in modern content strategy as it allows us to reach and engage audiences more effectively. First, let's emphasize automatic content generation that adapts to our target audience. This means not just creating content, but having it hit the right technical level and include relatable examples. It prioritizes accessibility through inclusive language and multilingual options. This expands our reach and helps no audience be left behind. Finally, it implements interactive features that transform passive content consumption into an engaging experience. Users can interact with various content formats and learn at their own pace. Remember, personalization isn't just about creating different versions of content, it's about creating the right content for the right audience at the right time. Scene description is a crucial element of content personalization. This system processes 3 main types of content: documents, images, and videos, converting them into accessible descriptions. The key features include detailed visual element descriptions, automated alt text generation, and multilingual support. This comprehensive approach aims to create content is accessible to all users, regardless of their visual abilities or language preferences. The AI-powered system handles the conversion process, delivering accurate and meaningful descriptions that maintain the original content's intent and value. Another possibility is the personalization of educational content through AI-assisted transformation. Our system takes standard slides and converts them into personalized transcripts, requiring minimal human supervision while maintaining quality through necessary proofing steps. The key advantage is the ability to tailor content to specific student needs and interests, making learning more engaging and effective. While the process is largely automated, we maintain quality through strategic human oversight at critical points. In this section, we'll discuss 2 key features of video analysis: navigation and summarization. Our navigation tools allow users to precisely locate content, whether you need to find the first mention of a topic, track all references to a specific concept, or move between different subjects efficiently. For summarization, we offer multiple approaches, You can get an overview of the entire video, focus on specific concept explanations, or analyze particular time segments, for example, just the first 10 minutes. These features are designed to make video content more accessible and easier to understand. A video analysis system enhances user experience through 3 key features. First, we personalize content delivery by offering flexible learning options, whether users need in-depth explanations or quick summaries. Second, our multilingual content capability breaks down language barriers, making our content truly accessible globally. Finally, for technical videos, we extract clear step-by-step instructions and provide comprehensive setup support. These features work together to create a more engaging and user-friendly learning experience. The model can comprehend video content and extract information with remarkable accuracy, though achieving high recall remains a challenge for many systems. The process is straightforward. Users input a video, the AI model processes it with the given prompt, and generates relevant responses. This direct video-to-response pipeline represents a significant advancement in multimedia AI interaction, eliminating the need for intermediate processing or manual transcription. While the technology is powerful, it's important to acknowledge the ongoing challenges in achieving perfect recall and comprehensive understanding of all video details. Another use case is customer service applications. The process begins when a customer describes their issue using various formats. They can submit text descriptions, share images, or even upload videos to explain their problem. The system utilizes a vector database, which is essentially a knowledge base containing all relevant documentation, from user manuals to FAQs and troubleshooting guides. When an issue is submitted, the system retrieves relevant context from this database. The AI engine then processes both the customer's input and the retrieved information to generate an appropriate response. This combination of customer input, knowledge base access, and AI processing enables efficient and accurate problem resolution. Here are several key ways AI can enhance customer complaint resolution. First, companies can identify and resolve customer complaints by analyzing textual feedback or by processing images and videos uploaded by customers. This visual evidence often provides crucial context that text alone might miss. Moving to automated call support, multimodal solutions now allow systems to identify urgency and emotional states, like frustration from audio cues, helping determine when human escalation is appropriate. Additionally, guided assistance via video calls creates more personalized support experiences. For issue resolution, Conda with instructional videos has proven highly effective, with tutorial videos providing step-by-step guidance for common problems. As mentioned in our previous section, these multimedia approaches significantly improve resolution rates and customer satisfaction by addressing problems through the most appropriate communication channel. AI is revolutionizing e-commerce through various technological capabilities. Our focus will be on 5 key innovations that are transforming online shopping experiences. First, multimodal search engines are changing how customers find products by allowing them to search across different formats simultaneously. This is complemented by advanced similar product discovery systems that can match items based on visual, textual, and video inputs. For sellers, automated systems can generate product listings directly from images and videos, while also extracting detailed product information automatically from labels and images. This significantly reduces the time and effort needed for product uploads. Finally, by enhancing product presentation through AI-powered scene generation, allowing products to be visualized in various contexts, helping customers better understand how items might look in real-world settings. AI technology is also transforming healthcare delivery. These 4 key applications demonstrate how AI can support medical professionals in providing more efficient and effective patient care. From analyzing scans to assisting with triage decisions, these tools are designed to augment, not replace, healthcare providers' expertise. The goal is to streamline routine tasks, allowing medical staff to focus more time on direct patient care. It's important to note that all these applications work under human supervision and serve as support tools for healthcare professionals. Another critical use case is accessibility. These solutions range from visual and hearing assistance to safety features for the elderly. Development of comprehensive tools, including scene descriptions, ASL support, and multimodal screen readers, helps to build technology that serves everyone, regardless of their abilities. The fall detection system specifically addresses the safety needs of elderly users, while the personalized content generation helps different demographics receive appropriately tailored experiences. It's also breaking down language barriers through multilingual content analysis, making solutions truly global and inclusive. Remember, accessibility isn't just about compliance, it's about creating technology that genuinely serves all users, enhancing their daily lives and helping no one be left behind in our digital world. We'll conclude this lesson by discussing multimodal agents. Let's first review React, an important framework that combines the strengths of large language models. LLMs have demonstrated impressive capabilities in two key areas: reasoning logically and generating action plans. What makes React powerful is how it integrates these abilities into a cohesive system. The reasoning component is responsible for creating, tracking, and updating action plans while also handling any errors that might arise during execution. Meanwhile, the acting component interfaces with various external elements like functions, tools, knowledge bases, or environments. As you can see in the diagram, this creates a cycle where reasoning leads to actions in the environment, which then provides observations that feed back into the reasoning process. This continuous loop allows the system to adapt and respond intelligently to changing conditions, making it more effective than either capability would be in isolation. React represents an important advancement in how we can leverage the full potential of language models in interactive systems. Now let's discuss how multimodal agents are implemented. LangChain agents provide a powerful framework that can utilize React to plan and execute tasks effectively. These agents can be enhanced by giving them access to various tools and APIs, which extends their capabilities significantly. When implementing these tools, it's crucial that we properly describe their functions so the agent understands how and when to use them. Selecting the appropriate tools for specific tasks is essential for optimal agent performance. It's worth noting that currently, LangChain agents are limited to text-only interactions, which present certain constraints. To overcome this limitation, we'll be implementing custom tools that will enable us to build truly multimodal agents capable of processing and generating multiple types of media. This approach will significantly expand the range of tasks these agents can perform and the ways they can interact with users and systems. In this first part of our four-part example sequence, we're looking at image generation and description tools. What you see here is our creative toolkit that combines three powerful instruments: our poster generation tool, poster variation tool, and poster to story tool. The main task we'll be demonstrating is how to create two movie posters and develop their corresponding plot lines. This showcases the integration between visual creation and storytelling. The brain icon on the right represents the AI processing that makes this all possible, connecting creative inputs with meaningful outputs. This is just the beginning of our journey into AI-assisted creative content generation. Let's move forward to see how these tools work in practice. Now we're seeing the first step in our creative process. The poster generation tool connects directly to our AI system to create the initial movie poster. This is where the creative journey begins, with a simple but powerful command to generate a movie poster. Notice how we've highlighted this specific connection to show the clear workflow. This step is crucial as it creates the foundation for all the subsequent modifications and story development. In our next slide, we'll see how we can take this generated poster and create variations, building upon this initial creation. This systematic approach provides a solid base for the creative project. In this third slide, we're seeing how the poster variation tool comes into play. After creating the initial poster, we now use this tool to generate a second, alternative movie poster. This demonstrates the versatility of the toolset and how we can create multiple creative variations. The variation tool is crucial because it allows us to explore different visual interpretations of the same concept. This helps us have diverse options to choose from and can select the most effective visual representation for the movie. In our final slide, we'll see how we tie these visual elements together with the story development phase using the poster to story tool. This systematic approach helps maintain creative consistency throughout the process. In this final slide, we see the completion of the creative workflow. The poster-to-story tool now comes into play, transforming the visual creations into a narrative structure by generating a plot for the movie. Notice how we've added an end response element, showing that the process delivers a complete package from initial poster generation through variation to a fully developed story. This demonstrates the full capability of the AI-powered Creative Suite. This concludes our walkthrough of the image generation and description process. We've seen how each tool contributes to creating a comprehensive creative output, from visual elements to narrative content, all working together in a seamless workflow. In this second example, we're exploring how multimodal agents can be used for retrieval-based responses. In this first slide, we're looking at a multimodal agent system designed to handle product authenticity verification. The example focuses on Nike product authentication, specifically model FN5214131. The system incorporates three main tools: image web search, image comparison, and product web search capabilities. The workflow shows how a user query about product authenticity and purchasing information triggers the image web search function as part of the verification process. This represents the initial stage of a more complex authentication and shopping assistant system, which we'll explore further in the following slides. In this second slide, we see the next step of our product verification process. After retrieving images of the original product through web search, the system now utilizes the image comparison tool to check if the given image matches authentic product images. This is a crucial step in determining product authenticity, as it allows the system to analyze and compare specific details and characteristics of the Nike FN5214131 model against verified authentic images. The comparison tool works in conjunction with the initial web search results to provide a more comprehensive authentication analysis. In this final slide of the sequence, we see the complete workflow with the addition of the product web search functionality. After authenticating the product through image search and comparison, the system searches the web to find legitimate purchasing options for the Nike FN5214131. The process concludes with an end response that would provide the user with both authentication results and purchasing information. This demonstrates how the multimodal agent combines visual authentication with practical shopping guidance in a single, comprehensive response. The three tools, image web search, image comparison, and product web search, work in concert to deliver a complete solution to the user's query. This lesson covered topics related to multimodal applications. This was the final lesson in this MLU course on generative AI. That brings us to the end of our course on generative AI. I want to sincerely thank you for your attention and participation throughout this course.